Hey there Kaba Rung guys and fellow traders, I am Rick. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can greatly enhance your trading strategies and decision-making process. We'll be diving into the world of Forex Factory and how you can leverage this powerful platform to boost your trading success. But before we get started, let me give a quick overview of what Forex Factory is all about for those who are new to the platform. Forex Factory is an online hub that provides real-time market data, economic calendars, news updates, and a vibrant community of traders. It's become a go-to resource for traders worldwide, offering a plethora of information, including fundamental and technical analysis tools. Now, let's talk about the star feature of Forex Factory: the economic calendar. This tool is a game-changer when it comes to staying on top of upcoming economic events and their potential impact on the markets. Trust me, it's a must-have for every serious trader out there. One of the coolest things about the Forex Factory economic calendar is its color-coded system. It's like having a traffic light for economic releases. The colors help us quickly assess the potential impact of each event. For instance, high-impact releases are marked in red, medium impact in orange, and low impact in yellow. Let's now dive into the top economic releases that can significantly move the markets in the long term. These releases provide valuable insights into the overall health of an economy and can guide your trading decisions. First up, we have Gross Domestic Product, also known as GDP. It measures the total value of goods and services produced in a country and is a key indicator of economic activity. By keeping an eye on GDP releases, you can gauge the strength or weakness of an economy and make informed trading decisions accordingly. Another crucial economic release is the unemployment rate. This percentage tells us the portion of the labor force that is unemployed. It's a reliable indicator of an economy's health, as a high unemployment rate may indicate a weak economy, while a low rate may indicate the opposite. Moving on to the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, which measures the average change in prices paid by consumers. Rising CPI values can indicate inflation, while falling values can indicate deflation. Monitoring CPI releases can help you anticipate potential shifts in currency values and adjust your trading positions accordingly. Similarly, the Producer Price Index, or PPI, measures the average change in prices paid by producers. It's another crucial indicator of inflation or deflation trends. By keeping an eye on PPI releases, you can stay ahead of potential market movements. Interest rates also play a significant role in the Forex market. Central banks set these rates, and they can have a profound impact on economic growth. Higher interest rates can slow down growth, while lower rates can stimulate it. Understanding interest rate decisions and their potential effects on currency valuations is crucial for any trader. We can't forget the housing market, which is often a leading indicator of economic health. A strong housing market can signal a strong economy, while a weak market can indicate the opposite. Keeping tabs on housing market releases can help you gauge the overall economic sentiment and adjust your trading strategies accordingly. Lastly, business confidence is an essential economic release to monitor. It measures the level of optimism businesses have about the future. High business confidence can indicate a thriving economy, while low confidence may suggest economic challenges. These insights can be invaluable in shaping your trading decisions. Now, let's shift our focus to economic releases that can have a more immediate impact on the markets. These short-term releases provide valuable insights into market sentiment and can create trading opportunities. First on the list is the Non-Farm Payrolls Report. Released monthly, it measures the number of jobs added to the economy. This report has a significant impact on the stock market, and keeping a close eye on it can help you navigate potential market movements. The ISM Manufacturing Index is another crucial short-term release. Published monthly by the Institute for Supply Management, it provides insights into the health of the manufacturing sector. As a leading indicator of economic growth or contraction, the ISM Manufacturing Index can offer early signs of market trends. Durable goods orders is a report that measures the value of orders for goods expected to last at least 3 years. This release gives us insights into future economic activity and can guide your trading decisions accordingly. Personal income and spending reports are also essential to monitor. These releases measure the income and spending of households, providing insights into consumer behavior. Consumer spending is a significant driver of economic growth, and by keeping track of these reports, you can align your trading strategies with consumer trends. The initial jobless claims report is a weekly release that measures the number of people filing for unemployment benefits for the first time. It's a valuable indicator of labor market conditions and can give you a pulse on the overall economic health. Lastly, we have the retail sales report, which measures the sales of goods at retail stores. Similar to personal income and spending reports, monitoring retail sales allows you to gauge consumer spending patterns, a crucial driver of economic growth. Now that we've explored these impactful economic releases, let's discuss how to combine the power of Forex Factory with your technical analysis skills. Forex Factory provides a range of tools and indicators that can complement your technical analysis. By integrating real-time market data from the platform with your charts and indicators, you can make more informed trading decisions. For example, you can use the charts, historical data, and other features on Forex Factory to visualize market trends, identify key support and resistance levels, and detect potential trade setups. This combination of fundamental insights from economic releases and technical analysis can give you a more comprehensive view of the market. And that's a wrap for today's video, my fellow traders and Kaba Rung guys. We hope you've gained valuable insights into how Forex Factory can enhance your trading strategies. Remember, a disciplined and well-thought-out approach, along with continuous learning, is key to achieving consistent profitability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Until next time, happy trading!